Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 85 Grove Road. This is an extended 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Okay, and moving into the property, and we have a vestibule area which opens into the hallway, where we then have stairs going up to the first floor and a built-in understairs storage pantry. And then on the left-hand side we have a third reception stroke office just here facing towards the front of the property. And over to the front room here, where we have a nice large bay window. And then moving across to the biggest reception room, really good size, with sliding doors out to the garden. And then we have a ground floor shower room with wash basin, WC and corner shower. And through to the kitchen, again really good size, large central island with breakfast bar, and we have cooker, microwave, gas hob, fridge freezer, dishwasher and washing machine all integrated into the kitchen. Access out into the garden. And then onto the first floor landing, and we have 3 bedrooms and bathroom on this floor, starting with the first room here at the front of the house. We also have the 3rd bedroom here. And then 2nd bedroom. Which has a view across the garden. And then through to the bathroom, where we have a wash basin, WC, and bath with a shower attachment. And then outside into the garden, where we have a flagged patio with steps down to the main garden area. It's currently very mature, lots of shrubs and plants. And that concludes the online viewing. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, just give the office a call as soon as you can. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.